Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just some quick little examples, project shares using some new KS Craft dies. The first one is this one right here. It is a little peppermint swirl, but shaped as a heart with like a scallop detail edging. And this is the die. It does come with a mama and a baby. Here is the baby version. I did puff it up on some puffy tape, and then the mama version. These are so cute. I did the back in 110 to give it like some sturdiness, and then a super pale pink with the red. These would be super fun and lots of different color combinations. I love this. Next is this one. Is actually a little wagon with a tree in the back, you know, like when you're towing your tree off a lot. Oh, look how cute. Instead of me cutting out, like not cutting out, but twisting these little stripes out, because you could do those in black, I left them in there and then just backed the back with some holographic silver. And then same with the tires, I just cut part of the wagon off to get that black piece versus cutting this whole thing apart, because I don't like taking the dies apart and then I end up losing pieces. So I did that in white. And then the tree does have stitching detail, same with the wagon all the way throughout. Very cute little die for Christmas. Next are these ones. These are 4 different layering, like little sentiments. Here they are right here. I cut them out in like a really pretty gold paper and backed them on 110. So Secret Santa, Jingle Bells, Santa Baby, and No Peeking. And you can easily just like hole punch these and put these on a tag. That'd be really cute, like for Christmas and stuff. Secret Santa, same if you're like in a group swap, send that out. Very cute dies. Next is this one. This is a Hoho bag topper, and I did go ahead and cut it in 110, and then I did the words in foam, pink foam from Hobby Lobby, and then layered it with pink cardstock and did the peppermint swirls in traditional white and red. And it does have stitch detail, just like the heart has stitch detail all the way around. So do these ones. Oh my gosh, so cute. Next is this one. This is actually a little shaker globe in like a fun like cloche style shape. I didn't use the 2 pieces to make a frame. I was going to, and then I realized I'll just cut the back piece and do acetate, because I saw Hannah make an acetate one. So I did that. I have the little, you know, the snow slope in the background. I did the 2 trees and just a little bit of shaker flat little baby sequins in there. And then I did the lace border and like that gold and then red for the base of the snow globe. So cute and fun. I love the way that this turned out without the foam, like, you know, border strip. Okay, very cute. Next is this one. This is actually a gingerbread bow die, and it comes with a lot of different pieces, and I was trying to get rid of some of the steps and it just didn't work. So I just cut this piece out together to get like a, you know, like a holy detail of the pattern, but you definitely need to back this on a solid piece, because it was crinking and bending when I was trying to fold it. But the back piece, I did the cardstock and then that little squiggly line, you know, like frosting from a gingerbread. So that part's super cute. I would just, if I would do it again, I would do this layered up on itself. But yeah, that's that little bow. And this comes in a mama and a baby size. And then this one right here, which is like a holly leaf. So it's 2 different little leaves and then 2 big opposite leaves. So here they are right here. And I cut them out in like a gold metallic paper. Very pretty die. And then the little ones, I did go ahead. I can't find red stickles. I thought I had some, but I guess not. I would have put red stickles on there. So I just did green like on the little berries. And then this one I did like a white glitter on the berries just to give it dimension. That would be super cute. I swear I had red and I'm gonna hunt it down. I don't know where it's at. But yeah, that is everything from KS Craft, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.